Is it a George?
Yeah.
What should we do? Should we open it?
Yeah.
Hang on then.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get a sharp knife. Should we? Oh, hang on. Should we wait for Mummy?
No.
No. Should we just open it anyway? What's that?
Don't know that. Is it for George?
Is it? It must be for George.
Yeah.
What we got?
Oh. That's just for George.
Is that for George? So we got 2 bits for George.
That's for George.
Wow. Oh my. Look at that. That's a big one.
It's George. It's for George.
That's for George?
Yeah. It's for George.
Wow, what else you got? No, let's get the paper. Put the paper to one side. Oh wow, that's a big one, this is.
Ah.
Is that for the wet?
Yeah.
If he's thirsty for wet stuff? Oh my goodness. Let's put that over there. What's this one?
Fuck.
Is that for washing too?
And the fucking carpet.
Ah. What else we got?
2.
Is that a hand bit?
Oh.
Other bits. Woo! Is that? Oh, the bag come off. Got the bag off.
Cut that out.
You can't get it out.
Come get it out.
Is it too heavy?
Yeah. That is out.
Shall I help you?
Yeah.
Hang on then. Let's get these out. Yeah. Put them on the sofa. That's the book. We'll open that in a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put that on there. And that bit. Oh, okay. Right, crikey. Big wire. Right, ready? I'll lift George out. Ready? Here he is. Oh, oh, he's heavy. Does that go on there?
Yeah, because it's...
Shall I? Let's have a look. Oh yeah. That's it. Let's get that box out there. Oh, hang on, you forgot. Wet stuff. We don't need wet stuff, do we? Yet. Let's have a look. Is that what goes on? Yeah. Pass me that end. There's little bits of plastic on it. That's what it is when they've made it. Little bits of plastic in the way.